Zoom has been around a lot longer than people think. In fact, I remember in my corporate days as a tech, and this is going back quite a few years, that it continued to constantly show up on people's machines even though it wasn't the company-approved conferencing software. I remember thinking to myself, what is the deal with Zoom? Why do people keep putting this on their machine? Are they giving out free pieces of cheesecake for every install? What's going on here? Well, as it turns out, Zoom would get a lot more popular. But why are people using it? Snicker bar cheesecake. I promise you, they are not giving this away with every install of Zoom. Well, today I'm going to tell you why you should be using Zoom for your live broadcasting and your other video conferencing needs. So let's get to it. Wow. If you live stream to YouTube or Facebook or any of the other social media platforms and you like to have guests on your live stream, Zoom is a really good option because video quality is of the highest regard. Now, audio quality can leave a little bit to be desired, but you could really honestly say this about any of the conferencing software. It would be really nice if Zoom would give us an NDI output to give us a little more audio options with the conferencing software. But it really does have the best video quality of any of the conferencing software that's out there that I've seen. So it's a really good choice. Come on, Zoom, let's add that NDI output. We really want it. Zoom also seems to be the conferencing software choice for those folks in the education industry. And let's face it, right now there's a boom in people teaching online. From high schools to grade school to colleges and all kinds of courses. Zoom seems to be the choice for all of these people. And there's a good reason. It's really easy to connect to, it's easy to share invites for Zoom, but it also has an NDI input source. And this is a big thing for really creative educators because they can use OBS to broadcast to Zoom to all of their students. And this means they can put together really dynamic broadcasts with multiple cameras and slides and music and video and just about anything else they want to add. And that's pretty awesome. And if you actually decide to pay for Zoom, it has some really amazing features. For folks out there who run a business and are looking for a way to get into the live streaming game to sell their products, their webinar setup is absolutely awesome. You can integrate your PayPal right into it so people can pay right there without ever having to leave the webinar at all. And you can have up to 100 video participants and 10,000 live attendees. That's a lot of potential customers that you can reach with Zoom. And when the webinar is winding down, you can actually break people off into separate rooms so you can have a representative answer their questions or even individual one-on-one rooms. It's really an amazing tool. Wow. That was amazing. So I guess the question isn't really why use Zoom. The question is, why aren't you already using it? If you want to learn how to use Zoom to add guests to your live stream in OBS, check this video out right here. Or if you want to learn how to use OBS to direct your live streams as a camera source through Zoom, check this video out right here. And if tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber are something you're looking for, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.